All right. Good evening, Prerna. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So in the previous class, we were doing questions based on the admission of partner. We have covered a lot of just a minute. We did few questions based on the admission. I think we have covered these topics, wherein we have learned to calculate the gaining and sacrificing ratio of the partner. After that, we understood the calculation for the treatment of the goodwill. Then we have started the concept of the calculation of the hidden goodwill, and after that we started doing the full-fledged question based on the admission of partner, wherein we did in the last class question number 116, and in today's session we will talk about question 117. So let's start with this question 117. It says Shyam and Sanjay in a partnership business sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. Their balance sheet as at 31st of March 2020 was. So we have the balance sheet of Shyam Sanjay's given in the question. On the asset side, you can see we have cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtors is there, stock, furniture, building. On the liability side, we have sundry creditors, capital account balances of both the partners, Shyam and Sanjay. Apart from the balance sheet, few adjustment is also given in the question. It says on 1st of April 2020, they admitted Shankar into partnership for 1/3 share in the future profit on the following terms. Shankar is to bring 3 lakh as his capital and 20,000 as goodwill, which is to remain in the business. All right. So in this question, the amount of capital that new partner is bringing in, and as well as the goodwill that he is bringing is specifically given in the question. Apart from the capital and goodwill, it says that stock and furniture are to be reduced by 10%. Building is to be appreciated by 15,000. Provision at the rate of 5% is to be made on sundry debtors for doubtful debt. And then unaccounted accrued commission income of rupees 2,400 to be provided for. And we have other information in the adjustment E as well. Then in adjustment F, it says that outstanding rent was 4,800. We need to show profit and loss adjustment account, that means revaluation account, and capital account of the partner, and the balance sheet of the firm. All right, so considering all these information, we need to prepare three
Actually, I
accounts in
did
this
this
case.
question.
You did this question,
Yeah,
but how did you do this question? We haven't yet covered this question. No?
you give this question for homework.
I gave it as a homework. Okay, all right. So in that case, just tell me the answers you have got, Prerna.
Uh,
In for the
revaluation
for
account 98, 19,800,
19,800. That's right. Perfect.
and
All right.
partners capital account Shamlal
Mm-hmm.
47,044, Sanjay
Mm-hmm.
53,541,
Mm-hmm.
and Shankar
Right.
30,000.
Great. Very good. Tell me
And
the
balance
balance
sheet
sheet.
14 lakh.
1,47,820.
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir. 1,47,820.
Okay. All right. So I think this is the last question I have from the admission of partner. Just a minute. Let me check. Did I also give any other question for the homework?
No, sir.
All right. So let's just do one thing. Mm, so I have one more question based on the admission of partner, but this is the last question that I have right now. And after that, we have a new topic, retirement of partner. So why not? I should give you one more question as a homework from the admission of partner itself, and then let's just start with a new topic today, retirement of partner.
Yes, sir.
Is that, will that be good? In fact, Abdul have joined us today, so it will be better for him as well if we
Okay,
start a
sir.
fresh topic. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm just showing you question number 118 so that you can take the screenshot and then we will start a new topic. All right, kindly take the screenshot. We will discuss this question in the next class. If you were not able to solve it, then we will discuss this in the next class.
Okay.
Just take a screenshot for now.
Done,
Okay,
sir.
done. Okay, just a minute. Let me change the PowerPoint. All right, so let's start with this topic. Yeah, retirement of partner.
Sir,
So both of you, yes,
did you do like ratios?
ratios of admission of
Like
partner,
wait, sir,
ratio
wait.
analysis.
Wait, sir. Accounting ratios.
No, we haven't yet covered that topic. We will
So
be doing.
because I didn't complete this admission of partner yet, so admission of partner is related with this retirement of partner, so it's gonna be a bit tough for me.
All
Like
right. So, but the thing is that we have already completed it. I'll have to provide you separate classes in order to provide you a backup for the admission. We will have to arrange a separate schedule for you. So we will have to arrange a separate class for you. Will
all right.
that be comfortable for you attending
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
classes
yeah, yeah, yeah,
separately?
yeah. All right. Sure.
All right. So just talk to your counselor. Tell
Yep. All
him
right.
that you need few backup classes just to
All
cover the
right.
previous topic because sir have already completed those topics that you need to cover.
Okay.
Just tell him that he will arrange a backup for you, and then I'll conduct the session. All right,
All
Abdul.
right.
Now for now you can just leave the session. All right, everybody else. So Prerna and Zainab, today we'll be starting with the retirement of partner. And first of all, in this topic, we will try to learn the calculation of the profit sharing ratio after the retirement of the partner. Just like the admission, we in this case as well, we have the calculation. We need to calculate the profit sharing ratio of the existing partner the after the retirement of one of the partner. So let's just quickly start with the calculation. For that purpose, let's start with the first question of the retirement. It says A, B, and C were partners sharing profit and in the ratio of 1 by 2, 2 by 5, and 1 by 10. Find the new ratio of the remaining partners if C retires. All right. So, do you think you will be able to solve this question? Zainab and Prerna. I want you to try this question. I want you to give an attempt to this question first, and then I'll show you the correct solution of this. Will that be okay for you? Prerna and Zainab. Am I audible, both of you, Prerna and Zainab?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
want to try this question first? This question is very easy.
Yes,
I
sir.
just want you to try this.
Yes, sir. 5:4.
5:4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is right. Zainab, what about you? Got the answer, yes or no? Zainab, please confirm whether you're able to calculate it or not. Zainab, are you there? Okay, I'm not sure whether she's able to hear me or not. Anyways, so see, this is how we calculated. If you are listening, Zainab, this is how we calculated. We will first of all write down the existing profit sharing ratio of the partners, which is 1/2, 2/5, 1/10, which is given in the question. But since the base are not equal, the proportion of share that is given in the question, in this case, as you can see, in this case, the base is 1/2. 2 is the base. In this case, 5 is the base, and in this case, 10 is the base. So in order to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, we will have to first of all we will have to just equalize their bases. For that purpose, I have just multiplied the numerator and denominator by 5 in case of A. In case of B, I need to multiply it by 2, numerator and denominator as well. So by doing that, able to we will be able to equalize their bases. So now it will be 5/10, 4/10, and 1/10. And now, since question is only telling us that C is retiring, it is not giving us any other information. So in order to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, what do? We will just simply cancel out the C share, right? And this will be the remaining ratio will be the new profit sharing ratio. So new profit sharing ratio, it will be 5/10 is to 4 by 10 or 5 is to 4. This is the answer. All right, so moving on to the next question. Question number 120. In this question, we have two sections of this question, two independent questions in this particular question, A and B. In both the cases, we need to figure out the profit sharing ratio of the partners. So in A, it says Shiv, Mohan, and Hari were partners in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio of 5 is to 5 is to 4. Mohan retired and his shares was divided equally between Shiv and Hari. P, Q, and R were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5 is to 4 is to 1. P retires from the firm. All right, so I want you to figure out the profit sharing ratio in both the cases. Prerna, you will be able
Yes,
to solve this question.
I'm trying.
All right, try. Done, Prerna? Zainab?
Yes, sir. Only B is pending.
Could you please tell me the answer for the first case?
15:13.
Yes, 15:13 is the correct answer. Zainab, were you able to figure out the profit sharing ratio for the first case? Zainab, is everything okay? Why are you not responding? Is everything okay with your mic? Am I audible to you? Yes or no? No response. Okay. All right. So, see, in this case, case 8 says that the existing profit sharing ratio of Shiv and Mohan and Hari is 5/14, 5/14, and 4/14, right? So it says that Mohan is retiring and his shares is being distributed between remaining partners equally. So Shiv is going to acquire half of the 5/14 share, and half of the Mohan share will be distributed to Hari, right? And now after calculating half of Mohan share, it will be 5/28. So we will add 5/14 plus 5/28, and by solving this, you will get 15/28. Similarly, we will do the calculation in case of Hari as well. 4/14 plus 5/28. So this time we will get 13/28. Now this will be the profit sharing ratio, 15:13. For partner B, it will be case B, existing profit sharing ratio is PQ and R, between PQ and R is 5:4:1. And it says in the question that P is retiring. So that means Q and R will be the remaining partner who will be sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 4:1. All right, Prerna, is this clear to you?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yeah.
All right, question number 121. Try this question, please. This time you need to find out the gaining ratio.
Three is to 1.
3:1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the right answer. All right, very good. Next, try this one as well. 122. W, X, Y, and Z are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 1/3, 1/6, 1/3, and 1/6. Y retires, W, X, and Z decide to share the profit and losses equally in the future. Calculate gaining ratio. And then there is one more case. A, B, and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 4:3:2. C retires from the business. A is acquiring 4/9 of C share, and balance is acquired by B. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So there are two questions in this particular question, two cases of the question.
Done, sir.
Done. Tell me the answer of both the questions, both the cases, in fact. Gaining ratio for the first one,
0:1:1.
1:1. Yeah, okay. All right. And in case of B,
New profit sharing ratio is 44:37,
yes, that is right.
and the gaining ratio is 4:5.
Yes, perfect. Very good, Prerna. All right, that's nice. Okay, let's discuss one or two more questions. Just a minute. Okay, let's just discuss this question. I think that will be sufficient because it contains four cases. Na? If B gives a share to A and C in the original ratio, if B gives A share in equal proportion. All right, so try solving these questions, all the cases. I'm waiting for your answers. All right, Prerna. Anything that
Yes.
you want to ask? Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, Prerna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. Let me check. Could you please tell me the answers? Tell me the answer for the case A.
2:1.
Yes, that is right. For case B.
11:7.
Right. For case C.
25:11.
Very good. And for the last one.
7:2.
Perfect. Kya baat hai, very good. All right. So this was all about the calculation of PSR. I'm giving you a few questions for the homework. Since you are good in the calculation of the profit sharing ratio and gaining and sacrificing everything, so I think I can give you few questions for the homework as well. Take the screenshot of 124. Done.
Yeah, done.
125. However, these questions are a little different, since in these questions you need to do the treatment for the goodwill. I want you to try this question. If you are not able to solve it, then we will discuss this in the next class. Also take the screenshot of 126. But if you'll pay attention, try to solve it, I think you will be able to. So I'm giving you 3 questions for the homework. We'll rest question we will discuss in the next class. All right, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
All right then. So